I'm Faridah Àbíké-Íyímídé, the author of World Book Day book, The Doomsday Date, which is a rom-com set at the end of the world. I'm also the best-selling and award-winning author of Ace of Spades, Where Sleeping Girls Lie, and Four Reads in a Funeral. Here's a bit about my other books. So first, starting with Ace of Spades, which is my first book. It is a young adult thriller set at an elite private school where the only black students, Devon and Chimaka, must stop an anonymous bully from spreading their secrets around the school. My second book, Where Sleeping Girls Lie, is a dark academia mystery set at a boarding school in England, following a mysterious main character called Sade Hussein. My third book, Four Reads in a Funeral, is a book I co-wrote with my best friend Adiba, and this is about two ex-best friends who must come together one summer to save their local Islamic center. All my stories are very special to me because I write about characters who look like me, going on all sorts of fun adventures, and I'm so excited for you to go on an adventure with my characters in The Doomsday Date.